Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Might be a little bit windy here. I'm on Rathtrevor Beach again, and it's a gorgeous autumn day. We've been spoiled, I think, going into October with such nice weather. And I went out today I'm still trying to get some pictures with the, with the autumn leaves, but the leaves are like just starting to change here. So not yet. I will get out to take some pictures. Now, a few of the trees are starting to kind of shift color. It seems like it's really late this year, so instead just figured I'd go and have a walk on the beach, and I'll take a few pictures. I am using the XT4 and the Velvia Film Simulation today. That's one of the autumn ones that I shared in my video. I figured I'd have a go with that, but as you can see, the tide is out. I can turn around here and it goes out for probably 1 kilometer. So it will be a bit of a walk out. I'm gonna go walk to the end and then walk back, and I'll share a few pictures that I take along the way. It's really windy though.